Welcome viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Biohub and I am your facilitator Dr. Seema Sharma. Dear viewers, in this video I have covered male reproductive system. This is the frontal view of male reproductive system and the second picture is giving us a side view. In male reproductive system, first part is testes. Singular is testis. So in male there are two testes. They are located outside the abdominal cavity in a sac called scrotal sac. This is the scrotal sac or scrotum and this is the testes. Now these testes, they produce male gametes or sperms or male reproductive cells in millions. Each sperm is a single cell. It has three parts: topmost head, middle part, middle piece, and the lower tapering end is tail. Sperm is the smallest cell of human body. Its measurement lengthwise is approximately 50 to 70 micrometer. And this sperm is motile. For the production of sperms, 3-degree temperature below the normal temperature is required. That's why these testes are held outside the lower abdominal cavity in this special bag-like structure called scrotal sac or scrotum. Another function of testes is to produce one hormone which is called as male sex hormone and its name is testosterone. Next part of male reproductive system is vas deferens. This vas deferens is also called as sperm duct and it's actually a narrow tube which transport sperms secretion from other male sex glands to urethra part. So this tubular structure, it is taking the sperms which are a million in number along with secretion from other sex glands to the urethra part of male reproductive system. This fluid is a mixture of so many things. Sperms are present in it, fructose is present, which in addition to this, certain enzymes, secretion of these male sex glands, it is also there in this and it is whitish in color. So this secretion, the mixture of fluids and sperms, it is called semen. Next part is the urethra. The sperms swim in the semen and reaches the urethra which lies inside the penis. This bigger muscular structure is penis and when this internal narrow tubular structure is urethra. Viewers, remember urethra is part of urinary system. So in case of male reproductive system, there is a junction between urinary system and male reproductive system and that common part is urethra. Next part of male reproductive system is penis. Penis is an organ, muscular organ that transfers the sperms into the vagina part of female reproductive system during sexual reproduction. So these are the parts of male reproductive system, their location and function in brief. Viewers, so now from this chapter, different sort of questions are asked. So I'm moving on to some important questions which are frequently asked from this part of the chapter and I have compiled them in the form of a worksheet and I suggest you to go through these three questions. Question number 1, what is the site of production of male reproductive cells in human body? So male reproductive cells, sperms, they are produced in testes of male reproductive system. So site of production of male reproductive cells is testes. Now I'm taking another question from the same worksheet. Why testes are held outside the lower abdominal cavity in this scrotal sac? For the production of sperms, 3-degree temperature below the normal temperature is required. That's why these testes are held outside the lower abdominal cavity in this special bag-like structure called scrotal sac or scrotum. And this is question number 3. Part 8 is semen. The mixture of fluids and sperms, it is called semen and it is whitish in color. And this is question number 3, B part. This question is draw human male reproductive system and label its parts involved in A. Production of sperms, B. Transport of sperm and C. Transfer of semen. So in answer, you have to first draw the diagram of male reproductive system. At the bottom of the diagram, you have to write male reproductive system, like I have written here. Then you have to label only 3 parts which are asked in the question. First part is A part. Testes, they are involved in the production of sperms. B part, that is sperm duct, they are involved in transport of sperms. And C part, it's penis, it is involved in transfer of semen. So this is how you have to attempt this kind of question. So with this, it's time to sign out. Do take good care of yourself and keep learning about biology on my channel BioHub. Bye bye.